Dude, I'm using these fucking .12 BBs. These things aren't even gonna go.
Oh yeah. My God, it's like 2 FPS.
Yeah, they're .12s from this piece of shit. There's a dog. All right. Marco-Polo. We're using this spring pistol using .12 gram BBs. So since there's only 3 of us, the first person to get shot is the next Marco. And then I think we just go till one person gets shot, and then that the other person wins, the other person loses, and they switch. Since there's only 3 of us, we can't do multiple eliminations.
If I get shot in the dick, I'm gonna be pissed.
You won't feel it.
Bro, I'm wearing skinny jeans.
You won't feel it.
It's right there.
I'm not wearing skinny. All right, who's gonna be first? You want rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Don't get fucked. All right. Here you go. So remember, eyes closed the whole time. Yeah. Oh man, we got crunchy leaves on the ground too. Stand on the dirt mound. We'll be over here. All right, ready? Yep.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
You just shoot? I can't tell. I don't know if it's shot. I can't tell because it's so weak. No, it definitely shot. I can hear the BBs hitting behind me. I'm pretty sure it hit like there. So. You think it did hit your leg? It probably hit my shoe or something. I saw it physically coming at me. Marco. Polo.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
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 I did not my money. Marco. Polo.
Polo. All right, that would have hit me. That for sure. Yeah, that would have hit me, but you're out of BBs. That is nerve-wracking watching the barrel drag at you. You're like, oh no. Marco.
Polo. Polo.
Marco.
Polo. Polo.
Marco.
Polo. Polo.
It's harder than it looks. Marco.
Polo.
Oh fuck. All right, let me. Marco.
Polo. Polo.
I think I'm aiming too low, I feel like. Marco.
Polo.
Oh, you guys are far away. Yes! Yes, let's go!
Save my life.
Marco. Polo.
Yeah, I know, I'm good. I'm good. Marco.
Polo.
Polo.
Fuck. Oh, I laid on the ground, he shot right in front of me.
His ass was like up in the air. If you had skimmed it, it would have been fucking Marco.
Polo.
Polo. Hit.
Yeah.
It hit my jacket. Yeah, I knew I was.
Dude, I literally went down, I'm like...
Should I just reload this now?
Yeah, probably. Nin, you want to join? Are you sure? Oh, man. You could be the one shooting. You can't possibly hit yourself.
It's fun.
Practice.
It's not loud?
No, it's not loud.
Okay.
That's it. So just practice the chamber. So grip it like this and push with this hand in and push with this hand back. So you're pushing both at the same time because it's a hard chamber. Here, I can hold your phone. So it mags in. So you just chamber it once, shoot once, chamber once, shoot once. All right, so close your eyes. And when you're ready, try to listen to where we are and say Marco. When you say Marco, we're supposed to freeze and say Polo. And after you hear all of us say Polo, then you decide where to shoot. Okay?
Say Marco whenever. Polo.
Polo. All right. Aim it a little high, try aim it down a little bit lower. Because remember, you're above us.
Yeah.
All right.
Polo.
Polo. Oh. That was so tense.
That was the fastest win. You haven't. Good job. Marco. Polo.
Polo. Polo.
Polo. Marco. Polo.
Polo.
Oh, dude, you aimed here and then walked onto Chris.
Ow! You got me in the rib. Oh, fucking. Oh, dude, we could do it with a Fab Arms shotgun.
That's just 3.
There's 3 BBs.
Maybe.
I can go get that. All right. Oh, it's my turn, isn't it?
Yep.
I'll start.
Great. Wonderful.
That chamber is way more intimidating. Huh?
We need cups for this.
No. Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Are you okay?
Ow.
Ow.
Ow. Owie.
Dude, that was a dirt. I quick scoped you.
As soon as I said it, I went like this. I went.
I thought I hit you in the open part of the jacket, so that sounded good.
Dude, that hit through the leather jacket right there, and it's still fucking hurt.
That sounds good hitting the leather.
Oh
Shit. It's chambered.
Oh fuck. Marco. Polo.
Polo.
I can hear you breathing. Marco.
Polo.
Marco. Polo.
Polo. My balls are in my stomach.
Marco. Polo.
Polo. Oh, yes.
My leg.
All right, you might want to change out the shell. My leg.
So close. I want to wait for the wind. Yeah, I would not be able to shoot that. Go away. Go away. Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo. Dude, I will say you're aiming too low.
Seriously?
Yeah,
I feel like I'm aiming up.
because we're farther away from you because that thing's scary.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo. Bitch. Coward. You're still aiming too low. We're farther away from you, Dylan. We're staying the fuck away from you.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo. Bitch.
Did you just say polo?
Yeah, I said polo,
Oh,
bitch.
I didn't hear. I thought he just shot that way because he couldn't tell. No, he said polo. Marco.
Polo. Confidently. That would have hit me. You're out, but that would have hit me. That was aimed directly at me. Le Marco.
Polo. Le polo.
I don't shoot a fellow Frenchman.
Chris, I think that would have hit me.
Probably. Yeah, dude, that was my warning. It's like, no,
Yeah.
you're good.
Yeah.
Let me be bad over in this direction. Marco.
Polo.
Oh. Marco.
Polo.
Huh. Marco. I slip. Help! Dude, that's just slippery.
Bro, you held your finger up and it was directly in line with me. And Marco was like, Polo.
Am I facing the right direction?
Yeah.
Okay. Marco.
Polo.
I want somebody to be right fucking here. Best shoot.
You aimed at me for a good 5 seconds and I was scared the whole fucking time.
It's scary looking down the barrel. Oh no. Marco. Get out of him. Should we do 2 lines for this one? Get hit twice and you're dead?
Like dead.
Yeah, like we execute you after the game. Okay. For real. Like heads blown off. Yeah, we can do final round. Yeah, it's getting windier.
Marco. Polo.
Polo.
Marco. Polo.
Polo. Oh! You headshotted me.
Did I really?
It went clink. I wasn't even looking, all of a sudden my helmet got rattled.
Holy shit.
Is my camera okay?
Okay.
Fuck.
I'm sorry, well isn't it 2 lives?
Yeah, you're right. I think you killed me twice with that one.
Oh. Sure you did?
No, it's alright. Alright.
Fuck, where'd it go? Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Polo.
Fuck.
Marco.
Polo. God damn.
Not gonna lie, Jake, I was literally standing right in front of that. Marco.
Polo.
Marco. Polo.
Polo. Oh fuck.
It's not shooting.
I think that one did.
I think that one did, yeah. It felt like this. No, it's out.
That was the last one because I definitely heard it hit near Dylan.
Oh.
Yeah, the red shell is just the best one. Alright, we can call it then.
Still definitely a good idea.
Yeah.
Elaborate on during the spring and the summer.
For sure.
Full gear.